Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to blow dry your hair quickly at home using two of the Tangle Teezer hair brushes, the Wet Detangler and the Easy Dry and Go large brush. After my shampoo, I leave a microfiber towel on my hair for about 10 minutes. This will help to remove the excess water. Then I grab a detangling spray and I put some on my length before I start. Then I grab the Wet Detangler. It has two tiered teeth, which helps to cause less breakage on shower fresh hair. And be very gentle because when hair is wet, it is the most fragile. So you can do it separation after separation and just take your time. Then I grab the Easy Dry and Go large brush. This vented brush is drawing away excess water, which reduces the drying time. I dry my hair always into the hair direction, even when I put my head down to get more volume. And now with the Easy Dry and Go large brush, I slide it on my hair, simply as if I wanted to brush it. It's the same movement. Please make sure you don't touch the brush with your hairdryer to avoid any heat damage. I recommend you to work section by section to get a perfect smooth final look. Start in the neck and go up as you go. You can also do it with your head down to lift your roots and get more volume. At the end, I just pass my fingers through my hair just to make sure it's completely dry. And then you can just place your hair as you like. I'm doing here a side part. For my thick and long hair, it took me only 15 minutes to do this blow dry. I didn't apply anything on my hair, yet you can see there is no frizz and it's super soft and smooth. Now it's your turn to get the same blow dry look. Bye!